everyone. My name is Gwen. It's a picture and my and look and listen. It's a mountain. It's a water and it is a butterfly. It is in a cloud. It in a tree. This is a mountain. This in a flower. It is a tree. This is a tree. This is a sun. It is a capybara and it is a butterfly. It is a four bird and it's a bird a mountain. It is a two mountain. It is a tree. It is a four. It is a three tree. And it is a flower. It is a six flower. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's flower. It's a sun. It's a butterfly. And it is a cloud. It's four cloud and four bird and one butterfly and one sun and two mountain and three tree and six flower in a one capybara. It's a one water. Goodbye everyone.